Came across a Present2 file in old WordPerfect Office archives and need to view those slides? This is a Corel Presentations 20 document from the WordPerfect Office suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open these Corel Presentations 20 document files. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality Present2 file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. This file is a presentation created by an early version of Corel Presentations, version 20, part of the WordPerfect Office suite. Users encountering this file are likely trying to access or recover content from very old business or academic slideshows. The main goal is to convert it to a modern format like PPTX or PDF. As a proprietary binary format from the early 1990s, the Present2 file was designed to encapsulate all elements of a slideshow, slides, text boxes, vector shapes, and master templates into a single file. This monolithic structure was common before the widespread adoption of XML-based package formats like PPTX. For full, accurate reading of Present2 data, rely on Corel Presentations by Corel Corporation. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may preview the file, but slide building tools are required for full control. Your key initial action: right-click the Present2 file and select Open With. If Corel Presentations is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the Present2 file opens. If your Present2 file will not open, do not worry. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening in modern Corel Presentations. Install Corel WordPerfect Office, which still includes Corel Presentations. Launch Presentations and use File then Open to load the Present2 file. The current version maintains backward compatibility with older formats, allowing you to view, edit, and save in current SHW format, or export to PowerPoint-compatible formats. Next, converting via LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress may import older Corel Presentations files through its filter library. Open Impress, use File, then Open and select the Present2 file. Review the converted slides, as some advanced effects may not translate perfectly. Save as ODP or PPTX for use in modern presentation workflows. Finally, exporting to PowerPoint. Within modern Corel Presentations, open the Present2 file and use File then Save. As to export to PPT or PPTX format compatible with Microsoft PowerPoint. This enables sharing and editing in widely used presentation software, ensuring long-term accessibility of the slide content beyond the Corel ecosystem. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.